Okay, we've just finished the installation of one of our microhomes. We're actually on Flinders Island at the moment, but I just want to show you the difference in height between the footings here. We've got adjustable foundations with about 500mm of adjustment, and that's all engineered into the chassis, right? So that way you're not sitting on bricks and blocks. It doesn't matter how uneven the ground is, we can deal with it. Coming through to the inside, but our custom kitchen with a nice little detail here. We've got the flooring that actually goes up onto the kicker, gives a bit of a floating sort of look. Oven, cooktop, range hood that's hooked up to our automatic air system, which is explained in other videos to let the air in automatically. Double wall sink, overheads and glass splashbacks are pretty standard these days now. Reasonable size fridge with a microwave, not the biggest fridge, but big enough. Full size washer. Inside the bathroom, got a 12x9 shower, normal flush and toilet. Coming through to the lounge room, more than enough room for a 3-seat sofa bed with room to spare. Because we're actually on the island, it's quite hard to source all this stuff. So the client opted to throw all of her furniture and everything into every space we could, tie it all down for the ship ride. With the timber bed head, queen size bed, custom bed frame with the inset legs so that you can't knock your feet when you're shuffling past. And you can see how much stuff we've had all this tied down, but this wardrobe's got soft close drawers on each side. There will be a hanging rail there, and that's 2.6 metres, kind of full-size road. And we've got our double-glazed windows looking out to that view. You can't see it at the moment because the landscapers haven't finished, or haven't even started, but you can actually see the ocean views through the freeze air. This is going to be a really nice place to stay.